I don't know if I have to pause more. Hi, shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. You can send me super chat, super thanks. You want to ask me, just send me super chat. You can directly send me on my PayPal. Yes, I'm alone here. That's why I'm sad. Of course, I'm a girl. I like black or white clothes. I like both. It depends on you. It depends how you like it. No way. I don't feel that same. It's too sad for me. Hi, shout out all my viewers. Welcome to my live. You can send me super chat, super things if you want to ask me this and this. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I wear. I'm a woman, guys. That's so rude. I'm a woman. I'm a woman. Here's my ID. You always, I'm a woman, I'm a girl. It's rude. Let me find out. Here's my wallet. Here's my wallet. It's so noisy outside. Here's my ID. Yeah, that's me. So that and so this. I'm a female. I'm me. I'm not male. I'm female. I'm not guy. Hmm. I shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my live. You can send me super chat, super thanks. If you want to ask me, just send me super chat right now, right in.